Hello, everyone. This is Anita N, the Biz Coach, coming back to you to share all things grants. Okay. So, again, I want to remind you about my workshop coming up. We're going to be going in and going in deep on everything you need to be able to apply for grants in the new governmental fiscal year. Okay. That starts in October of this year, October 1st, 2022, is when the government comes out with their new funding. And that's, all the stuff they'll be doing. And that includes grant funding. So those will be funneled down from the federal to the states, to the cities and the counties. So you need to be prepared and ready to start applying for some of this money and all these other foundation and corporation grants that's out here. There are going to be all sorts of things coming out. So you need to be ready for that. And this workshop is going to help you do just that. So we're going to be helping you establish your goals, your objectives and outcomes, talk about your budget. We're going to be looking at all those important sections of the grant that you're going to need to be able to apply and start getting the money you deserve for your nonprofit and your business. All right. So use the link in this email to go ahead and click and register. I am not going to have many people sign up in this because I want to be able to give everyone the full attention they need to get the work done that you're going to have to do in order to write an effective grant to apply and get grant funding. All right. So you don't want to wait. You want to go ahead and get in on this so that you will be ready for the new fiscal year starting October 1st. All right, so that workshop is on October the 8th. It is going to be from 4 to 7 Eastern Standard Time. So you need to go ahead. You're going to have some free work to do, some work. We're definitely going to be getting down and dirty in the workshop. Okay, we're going to be getting it done. Yes, I love having fun, you guys, but we're going to be working and we're going to work hard. And if you do the work that's required, you will be able to start applying for grants right away. Okay. So I want to share this new grant opportunity. I thought it was very awesome. The deadline for it is coming up in December of this year, December 15th. That's when the application portal will be closing. This is called the Stand With Studios Grant Program. And what this is all about, it says here, is it was created to support boutique fitness and wellness businesses with the resources they need to take their business to the next level and continue to positively impact their communities. So they're going to be supporting and their valued brand partners and business coaches. They're going to be providing support and they're going to be committing up to $150,000 in grants and also for marketing support, software, and business education. And that's just to help you to drive your business forward. All right, so they're going to be working with 16 studio owners who have demonstrated incredible strength and passion for what they do. And what you're going to be receiving is anywhere between $25 to $5,000 in funding per studio. You're going to have a photo shoot that's going to feature an article on you in the Fitness Business Insider magazine. That's worth $4,000 itself. And you're going to be able to get in on this wellness living professional plan free for a year. That's valued at $2,000. And you're going to be able to have coaching sessions with an industry expert. All right. So here are some dates on what they're looking at doing. It says the grant recipients will be announced at approximately 12 Eastern Standard Time on the following dates. All right, so they have been splitting this up, obviously. So the next round, they're going to be announcing 2 owners on September 28th. So the next one would be October 27th, then November 24th, December 17th, and then February the 7th. They have different numbers of applicants and studio owners that they're going to be announcing during this time. Now, again, the last day to apply is December 15th. You don't want to try to wait around till then, okay? All right, because the portal opened in August of this year. But you don't want to wait around until the last minute. It's too late. And then the final round, the recipients will be announced in February, on February 7th in 2023. So you want to go ahead and get in on this right now. Here are some of the things you need to qualify. You need to be a business owner or signed or authority, I'm sorry, for the business. You also need to be a resident of Canada or the US. You need to have a business in operation since February of 2020 and be generating revenue. So that's good that they don't give a limit on that revenue limit or amount. You need to acknowledge that your business is not under bankruptcy protection or does not have jurisdiction, liens, or any type of attachments to it. Upon request by Wellness Living, each applicant must provide proof of their identity and any qualifications as an eligible applicant. The organization reserves the right to disqualify any application for which proof is not provided upon request. So you need to make sure you have all this stuff, all your ducks in a row. You know how I say, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. This is what I'm talking about. So you'll be ready to do things like this when they come to your attention. It also says the business must offer fitness or wellness services, be located in Canada or US, have no more than 50 employees at the time of submission. So that means you need to at least have one. They're not saying that you got to have 50 or you got to have 25. They say you just can't have more than 50. Okay. So you got to get yourself established and have at least, it sounds like one employee, and that can be yourself. But you have to have that set up legally to be able to do that. It also says the individual franchisees are eligible. That's awesome. You have been in operation since February 2020, as I said before, by generating income, and the business have a brick and mortar location that is currently in operation. So you can't be just a virtual business with this one. You have to have a brick and mortar location. So you have to actually have somewhere where you do business out of. Okay. They have a link here where you can click to get more terms and conditions. They give you, outline here of different credits that you can receive for different parts of the application. So they're going to be grading you on all of those things. And it tells you more there. This is awesome. This is some stuff I definitely want to pass on to some folks that I know that I believe would qualify for this. This is awesome. I love this. So, as you can see, that website up there is standwithstudios.com program dash overview. Okay. So you go to that website and be able to go ahead and apply for this grant if you have a studio and you are a fitness and wellness business. This is awesome, you guys. I love it. All right, all right. So, again, don't forget to get in on my workshop that's coming up to help you get prepared to do things like this, and more funding is coming down the pipe. So, you want to have your grant template ready to apply as soon as you are out of that workshop. And I don't know if I mentioned the benefits or the bonuses if you pay in full for the fee for the workshop. You're going to get $100 off first off. The second bonus will be you're going to receive a list after the workshop of a list of grants that totals up to $1 million. You're going to get a 45-minute call with me so we can strategize your plan, and you will get a chance, an opportunity for me to review your grant before you submit it. You can't beat that with a stick, as my grandmother used to say. So the discounted price is $3.99. The full price is $4.99. So if you don't meet the deadlines for the full price, or you can't do the full price right now, I have an option for you to pay half upfront and then half before October 8th when the workshop will be hosted. So again, that workshop is October 8th, Saturday, from 4 to 7 p.m. We're going to try to slam and cram all of that information we can in those 3 hours, or go a little bit over, because, hey, I'm planning to give it to you and give it to you good. Okay. All right. I appreciate you all always being here, and I hope that you continue to be blessed, and great grant hunting for you. All right. Take care.